Check this out. This is easy.
Hey! Okay, sorry. You're doing it right. Get your finger away from the other one. Okay, go ahead. All right. No, don't go any higher. Don't go any higher. Don't go any higher. Just fly it around. Let me see you do some spin maneuvers. Okay. Okay, don't go so crazy. Just go slow. Straight, slow, 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 slow. Like that. Like that's a good shot. But you want to be smooth. You want to be smooth. It's all about being smooth. You're not gonna do what this kid's doing. He's 9. He's 9 years old. Okay, bring it down. Okay. Now the red's facing. See the red? Okay, slow, dude, slow. It's not. Look at. It's like, look at little things, little moves like this. Not this stuff. Okay, bring it down. Bring it down. Straight down. Just down. Not that fast. Stop, stop, stop. Let go. See, and if you ever get lost control, you just let go of it. Let go, let go, let go. See? You let go of the controller and it hovers. Bring it down closer, lower. Bring it. Listen. Oh my God. Can you listen? You go like this, like a little move. Look at it. Did you get that? Mm-hmm. Don't watch this 9-year-old. He's kind of crazy. But if you just bring it down slowly, it'll slowly come down. See? And then if you let go of the controller, it hovers. So it's almost impossible to screw anything up. Now try to bring it down slow. 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 We gotta touch it. There you go, there you go, there you go, there you go. There you go. So Matthew's landing it all by himself. Keep coming, keep coming, keep coming. When you get down, okay, a little bit lower. Keep coming, lower, lower. Okay, now do the lower, 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 lower. Now do the thing. Do the two things. And then you shut it down just like that. Nice work, kiddo. High five. 9 years old, flying a drone all by himself. It's super easy, people. You can rent this. Instant message me for how you can rent this. You can rent it with or without the GoPro 3 Plus.